Okay, time to take a look at the Vevor speed bumps. So we got our instructions, and it actually does say that we can bolt this thing down, so if we want to make sure that this doesn't move, we can make that happen. Title shirt, we're going to have to worry about this thing moving anyway. When we lay that guy on the ground, it'll help to kind of make it stand out more and also just kind of give you a feeling of depth. The only thing this one does have that you don't normally see on these cable ramps, there's actually a metal washer in here. So most of the time it's just rubber, you just bolt it right to the rubber. That's going to help to make sure that this thing doesn't tear through over time. And also see there is a spot right here, so if you want to, you can put a reflector there. And we got a nice texture here, but we got an even better texture right here. This is almost a sandpaper texture, so you can make sure you got good traction on your tires. That's important, especially like if it gets wet and your tires might spin, there won't be a problem with these. It does come with our anchors. These are concrete anchors, so you got to drill a hole in the concrete, drop this guy in, and as you tighten it up, it'll expand, it'll hold itself in place. It does have the branding there on the side, so you know exactly what it is, but it's also nice and subtle, so it's not going to make itself stand out. And then on the reverse side, we've got a bunch of large tracks on here, so you can lay cable or hose or whatever you want. So that is 1.5 inches wide and about the same in depth. Now most of these only have one track. This actually has 2 tracks, so you can lay 2 different cables. So the main thing I want to know is, in the event this thing gets crushed, is that actually going to crush the cables underneath it? We want to make sure it's not going to be rubbing that insulation. All right, go ahead and go forward. There we go, even right there on the edge. Go ahead and back up, try to get right on top of it. A little more. And stop. Perfect. So that is supporting the full weight of the car right there. So yep, that is a pretty sweet ramp.